In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your sway bar link on your Kia Soul. It's located behind your front wheel. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to take off our wheel. If your wheel is stuck, put one lug nut back on and give it a good whack with a rubber mallet. And remove your wheel. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to take off this top nut for our sway bar link. I'm going to keep the stud from spinning with my locking pliers. Pry down if your sway bar link is stuck. You can pry down on your sway bar. And push it out. Using a 19mm socket for this lower nut on this sway bar link, we're going to crack it loose. I have my locking pliers on the other side, and I'm holding down my sway bar link bar with a pry bar. Take this off the rest of the way with my fingers. Now you can release your locking pliers and take out your link. Put your sway bar link in on the bottom and start your nut. For this new one, I'm going to use an 18mm socket to tighten and a 17mm wrench to hold it still. Once you get it snug, you're going to torque it. Let's torque this to 80 foot-pounds. Now we can take our wrench off. Let's put our sway bar link in. I'm using a pry bar, and I'm going to push down on the sway bar link bar and push it through. Remove your pry bar, and now you can get your nut started. I'm going to put a 17mm wrench on the back to hold it still. Using a 16mm wrench on the back, I'm going to hold this still while I torque this to 80 foot-pounds. Install your wheel. You're going to start your lug nuts by hand. Once you get those started by hand, you're going to start at the lower one, walk the wheel on. And then tighten in a star-like pattern. Using a 21 millimeter socket, I'm going to torque our wheels to 80 foot-pounds in a star-like pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.